This idea of healing, the way that I would describe it in the context of my journey, is taking something that was broken and restoring it physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. I played football for most of my life, and I got the opportunity to continue to play in junior college. My life at that time wasn't doing so well. I was dropping classes, living a lifestyle that was leading to destruction. And I thought to myself, I cannot keep going this way. The opportunity arose when I met a recruiter. He presented what the Marine Corps offers. I thought to myself, well, this is my moment. Make a change in my life. Do something that's meaningful for me, meaningful for my family, meaningful for my country, especially the job that I was going to be doing. And that is being in the infantry. My time in the Marine Corps, I would say overall, was a love and hate relationship. The Marine Corps taught me a lot of leadership. It's just the finest instructors, the finest kind of people. My second deployment was to Okinawa, Japan, and there I got the opportunity to train the Thai Army. But my first deployment was a combat deployment to Afghanistan, and specifically in Helmand Province, in a small district called Sangin Valley, a place where there was a lot of fighting going on with the Taliban. As a Marine rifleman, it was an experience that I will never forget. It was, There was a particular moment that was very difficult when one of our leaders tragically was killed by an IED in combat. We had no time to mourn. We had to immediately push out another patrol a couple hours later. Coming back from that, I knew I needed some healing. I think a difficult part in transitioning back into civilian life is learning the new behaviors, learning new language. As I was in the process of looking for schools, APU came to mind through my sister. She had previously done a few outreaches with APU, in particular going out to Mexico and doing missionary work. APU was the first school that called me and said, hey, you've been accepted, we would love to have you, and we would love to help you get the classes that you need. As I came on campus, I really felt a genuine peace, and if I may say, the presence of God. At first, coming into the school, very timid, didn't know anybody on campus. The Office of Military and Veteran Services played a major role. And my first time when I connected with Mr. Everett Brooks, he just broke the ice. Right there and then, I knew that I wasn't alone. And I found an opportunity to contribute as president of the Military and Veterans Services and to serve others like myself. At APU, I found my voice. Mentors, professors, pastors, even my peers. This process of healing was not done on my own. It took a community of people that loved and cared for me, that saw me beyond the surface, beyond what I presented, saw within me something else, and had a heart to help me, had a heart to mentor me, had a heart to even challenge me to gain more confidence, to be more loving. And of course, everything was in the framework of Christ. I don't want to undermine the things that veterans like myself go through. Healing is a process. With the support, the love of community, those wounds are more manageable. Perhaps the Lord wants to show up and show off through our lives in order to give encouragement, in order to give hope to the world and to the community that we serve.